Practice exercise 4 of time, speed, distance funda book. Let's go through the questions. Question 18th. A, B and C working together complete a job in 18 days. A and B work together twice as much as C. A and C together work thrice as much as B. A alone can finish the work in how many days? Okay. Now my first thing is my answer should be greater than 18 days, because if A, B and C are taking more than 18 days to finish the work together, your answer for A alone has to be more than 18 days. But unfortunately, none of the other choices can be eliminated at this point of time by me. So let's go to the question. Now the question says A and B together work twice as much as C. That means when A, B and C are working together, if A and B do 2 units of work, C will do only 1 unit of work. Or in other words, when they are working together, C will do 1/3 of the work, 1 out of total of 3. So the total is 3 units, and that means C alone has done 1/3 of the work, or 1 out of 3 units of work. Okay. So 1/3 of the work out of these 18 days was done by C. So if the question was in how many days will C finish the work, C does 1/3 of the work in 18 days, or C will complete the work in 18 into 3, 54 days. Okay. So obviously most probably 54 will not be answer here. But just from an understanding point of view, I hope this is clear. The next line of the question says A and C together work thrice as much as B. So when A, C and B, A, B, C are working together, if A and C do 3 units of work, B will do only 1 unit of work. Or that means if the total amount of work is 4 units, out of these 4 units, B will do only 1 out of 4, or 1/4 of the work is done by B. Okay. So if 1/4 of the work is done by B, that means B will finish the work in 72 days. 18 into 4, 72, because the work is finished. B does 1/4 of the work in 18 days, but we don't need to find in how many days B and C finish the work. We need to find A. So I can say out of the total work, 1/3 of the work is done by B. Is done by C, and 1/4 of the work is done by B. Or together they will do 7/12 of the work. So 7/12 of the work is done by B and C. That means the amount of work done by A would be 1 minus 7/12, which is equal to 5/12. So effectively the question is, A does 5/12 of the work in 18 days. In how many days will he finish the work? He will finish the work in 18 into 12 by 5 days, okay, which is equal to, do you really need to calculate? There's only one choice in decimal. The answer will be in decimals. Answer should be choice B. Okay. But if you want to be sure, this is 12 by 5 will be 2.4. So 18 into 2.4. 18 into 2.4, 18 into 2 is 36. 18 into 4 hence will be 72, or 18 into 0.4 will be 7.2. So 43.2. Correct answer choice B, as we had marked the answer. Okay. So I hope this is clear, and to me this is the important part which you should be able to carry forward from here. A and B work twice as much as C. That means C will do 1/3 of the work. Twice as much, 2 plus 1, 3. So so C will do 1/3. A and C do thrice as much as B. That means B will do 1 plus 3, 1/4, or 1/4 of the total work. Please carry this concept. This is useful and will be helpful in solving questions.